Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, all signs. Yan. Messages, energy check-ins, prediction, gabay. So, yun ang ating babasahin for you. Okay, so again, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And syempre, yes, kung may tanong po, no, pagdating po sa ating private reading, sa ating mga items, so ito sila, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Okay, so meron tayong protection from evil eye. So we do have ring, necklace, okay, bracelet. So yan sila. Okay, pareho silang unisex po ha. Ito, pero pwede siya sa red string. Okay, ito yung ating garterized by the way. So yes, ganyan siya. Shining, shimmering. Oo, maganda to in person. And yung ating 2-in-1 bracelet. Oo, so ganito siya. Okay, yan. Oo, ganyan siya ha. Si love and money bracelet. So ganyan siya. Ganda nito. Oo, sa personal. So, meron siyang mga citrine stones. Okay, yung citrine po is for money. Money magnet ang citrine, ha? Okay, so meron tayong physical. O, diba? Physical na masasabi. Okay? Na meron talaga. Anyway, so kung ikaw is lalaki ka, kung gusto mo nito, pwede naman ilagay mo lang siya sa red pouch. Okay? So, ano pa ba? I need your real name. Okay? Real name. Kasi sayang naman kung hindi totoong pangalan ibibigay mo. No? Oo, baka mamaya yung screen name mo lang ibigay mo, nickname mo, whatsoever. So, kailangan ko is real name. Pagdating po dito sa love and money bracelet. Ang ganda nito. Sa totoo lang. Ang ganda. So, sabayan po ng evil eye protection. Itong ating love and money. Okay? Para maproteksyonan yung mga pwede niya ibigay sa inyo. Ha? Okay? Imbis na 100 yung ibibigay niya, baka maging 50 lang. Oo, kasi na evil eye. O, 'di ba? Ganon. Ganon yung nakikita ko. Parang hindi nyo alam na kayo ay na-evil eye ng ibang tao. Kahit sabihin nyo kayo ay magkasangga naman, sila ay mabait sa'yo, whatsoever. Hindi natin maiwasan yun. Hindi natin maiwasan yun. Hindi natin alam kung sino rin nagbibigay sa'yo. Kung mariread natin, pwede. But anyway, so, yun lang. Okay, kailangan niya ng evil eye protection kasi magbibigay lang siya sa'yo ng love and money. It's up to you na kung paano po protection na yung sarili mo sa evil eye na yan. Gumamit ka ng evil eye. Okay? And syempre, ito pala, yung ating evil eye necklace. By the way, nalimutan ko ipakita. So, ganyan siya. This is unisex. Okay? Ganito siya. Yan. Okay. So, maliit lang siya eh. So, pwede siya sa lalaki, pwede sa babae. Kung naman ang gender mo, this is non-tarnish, hypoallergenic. Okay? And meron siyang extender. Okay? And syempre, yung ating granter necklace. So, si granter, yung taga-grant ng mga minamanifest mo. Anything. Okay? Visa. Yan. Oo. Marami na siyang nabigyang visa. Marami na siyang napupunta na ibang bansa. Sa totoo lang. Okay? Yes. Maniwalat kayo sa hindi. So, marami na. Oo. And syempre, may mga nakapasa ng board. Yan, may mga nakapasa sa exam. Mga ganyan. Okay, ibibigay niya, ibibigay. Ibibigay niya at ibibigay hanggat alam niya na deserve mo. Okay, and syempre, this is made to order. And, again, unisex. Kailangan rin nito ng protection. Please, protection. Kung alam mo talagang ikay sabihin nating ikaw ay mabatiin. Mabati. Evil eye. So, gumamit ka ng evil eye para maproteksyonan mo yung iyong energy, yung iyong minamanifest. Okay? Kasi magagrant lang to. Okay? Magagrant lang siya. And syempre, meron din siyang surprises. Even though some of the surprises is small, meron pa rin. Weekly. Okay po, weekly surprises coming from granter necklace. So, this is non-tarnish. 20 inches long yung kanyang chain. And, Nice yan sa personal. And syempre, yung ating pangpatanggal, MALAS. Yes, oo, pampatanggal alat. Kung di nyo susuot, pwede nyo ilagay sa white pouch. Okay, kasi medyo bulky siya eh. Anyway, yung iba naman talaga sinusuot to. Sinusuot. Yung isa na nag-purchase, agad-agad, dati daw hindi siya matanggap sa work. Okay? So, nung sinuot niya to, natanggap na siya. Yeah, ganun kadali. So, tatanggalin lang natin yung mga kailangan tanggalin. Okay? Na energy na nagbibigay ng bigat at alat, no? At hindi natin kailangan sabihin yung word na MALAS, diba? Ayaw natin yun eh. So, okay. Kung may mga tanong, message lang po, no? Sa akin pong FB page. Ulit-ulit. Huwag sa comment section. Please. May mga nagaya ng ating page. Baka mamaya sabihin nyo kami yun. Hindi kami nagre-reply sa comment section. Okay? So, let's see. Air signs. Gemini, Libra, and Aqua. What's for you? Air signs. Anong kailangan malaman ng mga air signs? The Page of Pentacles. The Three of Swords. May hihingi ng tulong mo, air sign. Could be financial. May hihingi ng tulong mo. Yeah, Ten of Wands. They need you. They need your support. They need you in general. Okay, some of them, yeah, see? Pera. Pwedeng ikaw, blessed ka naman, no? Pwedeng may darating lang na sabihin nating kaunti na hihingi ng tulong sa'yo. So, bigyan mo. Okay, bigyan mo. What else? Kung kaya mo magbigay, magbigay ka. So, what else for you air signs? Two of Cups, Two of Chalices, the Knight of Pentacles. Okay, so there's this energy of, sabihin nating, a connection. Could be a slow burner connection. Anong meron? Paparating pa lang ba to o nandyan na? Anong meron? Okay, the Knight of Wands. Pwedeng nandyan na. Okay, pwedeng nandyan na. The Moon. Okay. Medyo merong issue sa ang tawag ito, sa pag-commit, no? Itong taong to. Kaya medyo slow burner. Sabihin natin, kaya medyo slow siya. Yeah. Sabihin natin may pagka-in and out yung energy ng person. Okay? Yeah, they like you though. They like you. Pero hindi ko pa makitaan ng solid or concrete na intention nitong taong to. Hayaan nyo na parang unti-unti na magkakilanlan kayo. Wag agad-agad na parang lalalim. Okay? So what else? I think there's two person wanting to connect with you. A fire sign or an earth sign. Could be a water sign. Meron ding water sign. So, Five of Chalices in reverse. Ace of Swords. Okay, clarity. Some of you answers. There's this energy of a message na sa tingin ko kailangan mong mabasa or kailangan mong makita. And yeah, I think magmamanifesto. Okay, magmamanifesto kung ano man to. Na pwedeng sabihin nating magiging dahilan para mas maging okay ka. So, yeah, closure for some of you. Okay? May darating nakasagutan. Sabihin natin kalinawan in general. Yeah, the High Priestess in reverse. Sagot. Oo, answers. Mula sa mga sitwasyong napepending, mula sa mga sitwasyong parang bumabagal. So, magkakaroon ng sagot, ng tulong, clarity, kung closure man yan, whatsoever, para magkaroon ng pag-usad. Okay? So, there. Next. Fire signs. Okay. Aries, Leo, Sag. What's for you? Fire signs. Fire signs. Fire signs. Ooh, Wheel of Fortune. That's nice. The Wheel of Fortune. The Knight of Pentacles in reversed. Okay. So, I think there's this challenge na ibibigay si Universe sa'yo pertaining to growth, progress. Patungkol po sa pera. Okay? The Knight of Pentacles in reverse. The King of Chalices. So, I think this is like a challenge na kailangan mong maging matibay emotionally. Emotionally. Okay? I don't know kung paano. Kung ikaw itong napaka-present, napaka-available, ikaw itong maawain, ikaw itong laging okay, bigay. Some of you, may chance na you have to say no first. Okay? Or maybe you have to say no this time. This is a challenge for you, I think. Some of you. Kasi may babaguhin si Universe sa'yo sa pamimera mo. Okay? Meron din ditong parang parating na person. I think, sabihin natin hindi siya, I think this is romantic. Okay? A connection na pwedeng sa paganda. A connection na parang may patutunguhan. Okay? May patutunguhan to, hindi nga lang totally open yung person emotionally agad-agad. I think. So, may challenge, no? Na pwedeng magbigay sa'yo. I think some of you, you're impatient. Pagdating sa mga gusto nyong malaman, pagdating sa mga tao na gustong kumonek sa inyo emotionally. No, itong taong to, hindi sila open agad-agad emotionally. So, maybe that's challenge for you. Okay, pero I think meron itong patutunguhan kung ikaw itong magiging pasensyoso or pasensyosa. Ha? Okay? What else? Two of Pentacles in the reversed. What is that? Okay, Seven of Chalices. So, meron ng pagpili in general. Ako nakikita rito. Kung ano man ang kailangan mong gawing pagpili, so siguro mangyayari na. Okay? Or kung ikaw itong naghihintay na kailangan ng, sabihin natin, meron kang hinihintay na dapat may piliin, may chance na mangyari na. Okay? Yan, the Six of Wands in reverse, the Ace of Pentacles. Okay, so, some of you, iwasan natin yung parang, nakikita ko kasi dito is, iwasan ng selosan. Okay? Kung merong mapipili at hindi. Meron kasi. Okay? Meron. May mapipili at merong hindi. I don't know kung ano yan. Pero, in general, may makakaramdam ng selos kasi, I don't know, pwedeng ikaw ang pipilian. Okay? Ikaw ang mapipili, ikaw ang maka-hired maybe, ikaw ang sasagutin maybe. Yeah, this is general. Okay, the Queen of Wands. May mga nahanabo tayo sa'yo. Ha? Okay, may mga naiinggit kasi. Yeah, death. So, for me, there's this overall changes. Overall. Okay, physical, maybe sa status, para may mangyayaring pagbabago. Okay, and people will see those changes. Okay, the Nine of Chalices, sabihin natin, andyan yung kaiinggitan ka. Okay? Maybe makikita nila to through material things. Pwedeng mabibili mo yung mga gusto mo na something like that. Yeah, the status is going up for you. Okay? Or pwedeng ikaw ito like physically, meron kang babaguhin and yeah, makakuha ka ng sabihin nating negative or positive side ng mga tao. Okay? So, yeah, the Ace of Swords in reversed. Major. Okay, I'm hearing major. I don't know, major operation for some of you. Okay, so there. Merong gustong kumonek sa'yo or makipag-usap sa'yo. Break kayo nun. They don't know how to approach you. Okay, feeling intimidated yung person, I think. So, next. Water signs. Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. Okay. So, what's for you? What is for our water signs? Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. For our water signs. Okay. The Three of Cups in reversed. Anong meron? Ooh, the Wheel of Fortune. Ikaw rin, parang ikaw yung pangalawa o pangatlo sa nakakuha ng Wheel of Fortune. Okay? May mga magbabago. Nung past, may mga nangyaring failure. Ngayon, paganda na. The Wheel of Fortune is here. The Wheel of Fortune is here. May mga sabihin nating manunumbalik or sabihin nating pagkakaroon ng pagbabago pagdating sa frequency ng iba. This is nice, I think. Gumagandang frequency, ha? Gumaganda. This is nice. From zero to something. Parang ganyan. Yan, the Nine of Swords. Less stress. Hindi mo na to kailangang pagkaisipin pa kasi the Wheel of Fortune is here. Parang parang bawi ni universe. Okay, sige, lahat naman kasi sabihin natin, okay, sige, nagkaroon ka ng failure, ganto, ganyan, pero I see you moving, taking action, making action, ganyan, ganyan. Okay, you deserve something good in return. Parang ganon. Okay? You deserve something good in return. Yeah, that's nice. Okay? What else for you water signs? Page of Wands in reversed. Somebody wants to get your attention. The Devil in reversed. Somebody is wanting, waiting for your attention. The Four of Pentacles in reversed. Could be an earth sign na pwedeng nag-detach sa'yo. Yeah, the Ten of Swords, the Two of Swords. Yeah, the Ace of Swords. Pwedeng naghihintay sila ng communication or magkaroon ng opportunity to communicate with you. Okay? I'm hearing some of you investing. Putting your money sa kung ano man. Could be business, small business maybe. Okay? Or meron naghihintay ng sagot mo pagdating sa kaperahan. I don't know if this is collaboration or partnership. What else? Water signs. Hanged Man. That's you. That's your energy. Could be Pisces. Fellow Pisces. The Five of Pentacles. Iba sa inyo parang sinasabi, "Hay, nako, wala na nangyayari sa aking pera." Temperance. The World. Ooh. So, may chance na kailangan mong may baguhin. Could be your strategy, management. Okay? May mga kailangan mabago. May kailangan kang i-uplift or sabihin natin, changes na kailangan mangyari. Kasi parang flatline. Yung nakakuha ko dito, flatline or stagnant. Walang nangyayaring changes. Parang ganun lang eh. So, yung money, ganun rin. Some of you, yung pera. Meron din ditong parang naghihintay ng tulong mo. Okay? Meron din ditong isip ng isip patungkol sa'yo. They need you. Money, or sabihin nating work. Some of you, ikaw itong parang tinatamad na pagdating dyan sa ginagawa mong trabaho, career, or kung ano man, business. Kailangan mong may baguhin, new strategy. Okay? Kasi iba sa inyo naka-autopilot. Pwede mong gawin yung mga ginagawa mo everyday kahit nakapikit ka. So, it's like a routine, a cycle. Baguhin nyo yung cycle nyo. Okay? Baguhin nyo yung routine. So, yeah. Yan ang aking nakikita. Iba naman dito, naghihintay ng kung ano man patungkol sa increase maybe, or pagbabago patungkol sa kaperahan or sa sweldo. Yeah, this is workplace related. Parang hindi ko pa makita. Wala pa. Okay? So, maybe, under evaluation. Yeah. So, yun lamang. Next. Earth signs. Okay, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. Hello. Okay, again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Earth signs. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Okay. Oh, the Magician. You're manifesting, aren't you? Manifestations. Two of Wands. Okay. Some of you, there's a blockage. Sa lahat ng minamanifest mo, may blockage. Okay? Ano to? Ano tong Two of Wands? Maybe doubts. But ifs. Okay? May laging dahilan para hindi mabuo yung minamanifest. Yeah, the moon in reverse, the negativities. Some of you, you're sabotaging your own manifestations. Okay? You're sabotaging your own manifestations. You have to know that. You have to hear that. Okay? Hindi lang galing sa iba yung pang-evil eye. Okay? So, what else? Somebody is longing for you. Somebody na pwedeng malayo sa'yo. Okay? May naghihintay rin dito na gusto nilang makontrol ka. Malayo sila. Hindi nila kayang kontrolin ka. Anyway, what else for earth signs? The Five of Chalices in reverse. Iba sa inyo, niriritwalan kayo. Yes, hindi ko yun isasantabi. Hindi ko to para hindi sabihin. Iba sa inyo. Ha? Iba sa inyo, kinokontrol kayo or sabihin nating niriritwalan kayo. Okay? What's with that Five of Chalices in reverse? The Wheel of Fortune. Oh, this is nice. Lahat ata ng zodiac. Okay, nakuha to. Wheel of Fortune. So, magandang energy. Actually, the Nine of Chalices. This is wish fulfillment. Nasa higher vibration yung iba sa inyo ngayon. Nasa higher vibration. Higher wavelength, I think. This is nice. Iba sa inyo nakaka-move on na kasi. Or nakakapag-detach na sa mga bagay-bagay na kailangan ng ipag-detach. Now, your energy is going up. Going up. The Ace of Pentacles, may mga parating pa. Okay, may mga parating pa. Okay, this is happiness. This is wish fulfillment. Material things, pwedeng makuha. Money. Okay? Some of you, ikaw itong makakabayad or makakabili kung ano man yung gusto mo. Okay? So, darating yung punto na parang hindi mo po problemahin, like hindi ka titingin sa price tag. Okay? Sa tag price na mga bibilihin mo. It's like, lagay ka lang lagay sa cart. Ganon yung energy na nakukuha ko dito, earth sign. Claim it. Okay, sarado natin yan. Oo. Gamit itong ating love and money and itong ating cord cut. Oo. So, yes. Ilak na natin yung energy na yan para dyan sa ating mga earth sign. No? So, what else? What else? For earth signs. The Fool. Okay, this is like a new beginning. Fresh start. Okay, clean, fresh slate. Parang ganyan. Clean slate. The Fool. The Knight of Pentacles. Seven of Pentacles. Iba sa inyo, parang patungkol ito sa ano sa mga, like pagbangon muli, lalo na pagdating sa kaperahan. Yeah, the Three of Wands. Okay? Pagbangon muli, it's like a new beginning pagdating sa kung ano man. Pero sinasabi dito is pera. Some of you, the world. The Queen of Pentacles, the world. This is like energy of parang healing or paggaling mula sa isang sakit. Parang ganyan. Pagkakaroon ng improvement. Pagiging, sabihin natin, nandun yung paggaling. Okay? So, kung ikaw may sakit, medyo gagaan-gaan na yung pakiramdam. Parang ganyan. Okay? So, i-claim natin yan, yung mga paganda. Okay? Paganda. Bago. Parang ganyan. Sa pabago. Sa paganda. Okay? So, pera, health, career could be, in general. Yeah. The Empress, the Emperor. Okay? In reverse, both. Okay? So, kung ano man yan, the Tower is here. Some of you, sabihin natin, you've been through a lot. Okay? Marami kayong pinagdaanan na. So, it's like, okay, yung energy is like, okay, enough with this. Tama na tong mga ganto, ganyan. Detachments na. Okay? Lalo na, kung ikaw itong marunong talagang mag-detach at sabihin natin mag-focus sa healing. Mag-focus sa cleansing. Parang ganyan. So, ikaw itong mas mapapabuti. Okay? Mas mapapabuti. Some of you, I'm hearing travel. Okay? Travel. This is, foreign. Okay? Foreign land. I think. So, yeah. Yun lang ang akin nakikita for you. All signs. Again, please, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page. And yung ating second YouTube channel na nasa description box below. Yung atin pong love letter. So, again, thank you. Goodbye.